Isubo na, Clay.
Lenat.
Ay, hilo eh.
Pito.
Me too.
Yeah.
You have exam today, ha? Language and science.
Language. What's language?
And science.
At what's science?
Language is she. Pag girl, she, her. Pag boy, him, and he.
How about science?
Science, parts of the body.
My feet, my toes,
Yes.
and my heart. Like so, you hold my heart.
Dug 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 dug. Sounds like that. Today is Monday, February 17. Prep your guard. Exam ni Clay. First day of exam ni Clay. Later, you review pa.
Exam?
Ha?
What is this exam?
Yes, she has exam. When I hatid you, I will sundo naman si ate. Then we will wait for you. 10:30 is your exam. 10:30 din yung
No,
uwian
Daddy.
ni ate.
No, Daddy. Ate will tagal and tagal. I will go home early.
Yes, she will go home early. Si ate rin go home early. When I hatid you, I will go to ate's school, then sundo her. Then we will go to your school and wait for you because it's certain time. You will go home early. You good luck. Good luck ha sa exam ha. You answer many, okay? Isubo na.
Daddy, look. It's EPS.
Yes. Isubo mo na. Papalpitate ako, Clay eh. My heart is not okay and I'm tipsy.
What's tipsy?
Hilo.
What's silo? What's silo?
Ay.
What's silo?
Ay, suka.
Puso. What's suka?
It's not good combination ata yung kinain ko ng breakfast, Clay. It's coffee and cream cheese
What's cream cheese?
with sausage and spinach.
What's sausage?
It's like hot dog and ano ba?
What's hot dog? What's hot dog?
Ay, hindi na natapos yung tanong mo, Clay. I ubos the answer. Lola Pat is not here because she went to hospital because today is her check-up day. She will go home later. Babay na. Hala.